friends! Today we're going to draw something super fun, a wooden chair. You can sit on it, put your toys on it, or even pretend it's a throne.
Yay!
Let's grab our black markers and get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw the back part of the chair. Make a nice big rectangle right at the top of your paper. This is where your back will rest when you sit down. Now, let's draw 2 straight bars going down from the backrest. Next, draw another rectangle between the bars. This is where we sit. Make it nice and comfy. Chairs need legs to stand, right? Let's draw 4 legs. 1, 2, 3. Make them a little wider at the bottom so it looks nice and strong. Nice job, everyone! Our chair drawing is complete. Today, we're going to make our wooden chair super colorful, just like a rainbow. Let's grab our markers and start coloring. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow, it's looking amazing already. Awesome work, everyone. You did such a great job drawing and coloring your chair today. Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your family and friends. See you next time for more fun drawing adventures. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.